Hey guys, this is Rebecca.
And Chelsey.
And today we're going to teach you about linear equations.
First off, what exactly are linear equations?
In mathematics, linear equations is the relationship between two variables, in which one value depends on the other.
They express rate of change. To calculate rate of change, you use the formula y equals mx plus b.
X is the independent variable and y changes based on x. So therefore, y is the dependent variable. B is the fixed or initial value and m represents the constant of variation or slope, which is the constant multiple one variable is multiplied by. In a graph, slope is the measure of the steepness of a line.
To solve for m, you use the equation rise divided by run, in which rise is the vertical distance between 2 points and run is the horizontal distance between 2 points. You may also use the formulas y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, or delta y divided by delta x. These are essentially the same formula, put in different terms.
Delta is the Greek word for change, so in this equation you are calculating the change in the y value divided by the change in the x value. If given the values for y and x, you divide the y value by the x value.
For example, if x equals 2 and y equals 6, the slope would equal 3, since 6 divided by 2 equals 3. If the slope were to equal a fraction, you would keep the value in those terms. There are two variations of slope, direct and partial. Direct variation is a relationship between two variables in which one variable is a constant multiple of the other.
Partial variation is a relationship between two variables in which the dependent variable is the sum of a constant number and a constant multiple of the independent variable.
The difference between direct and partial variation is that partial variation includes an initial value, otherwise known as b, thus meaning, in a graph, the slope of a line with a direct variation would pass through the origin, while the slope of a line with a partial variation would not.
If given a graph with a linear equation, you must solve for y and x using coordinates. In this example for direct variation, the coordinates are 2, 4, and 4, 8. In the partial variation example, the coordinates are 2, 4, and 5, 7.
Keep in mind that you may choose any points on the line to use as your coordinates.
For direct variation, the rise would be 4 and the run would be 2.
This is because 8 minus 4 equals 4, and 4 minus 2 equals 2.
For partial variation, the rise is 3 and the run is 3.
This is because 7 minus 4 equals 3, and 5 minus 2 equals 3.
The slope for direct variation is 2, and the slope for partial variation is 1.
This means that the linear equation for the direct variation is y equals 2x, and the linear equation for the partial variation is y equals 1x plus 2. These are the basics of linear equations. We hope this video helps you.
Bye!